attitudes, values, writing skills, and creativity. This is the opportunity for the students to reflect on the meaningfulness of their experiences, as well as the impact of their teachers' style and methodology.
To reflect is a crucial part of portfolio development. So dito is nababalikan natin yung mga experiences natin and learning natin in a certain subject. And napapakita din natin yung evidence of learning natin and yung knowledge, understanding, attitude, values, writings, and also our creativity. And through reflect is na-evaluate natin yung importance ng methods na ginamit ng mga teachers natin na nakatulong sa ating learning. And we must remember that portfolio is not just only about the collection of our work, but it is also about our learning and understanding from it. So next, evaluate, Nicole.
Evaluate. This is the stage where the student, the person, teacher, or even the parents are involved in rating the achievement of the student based on the evidence of learning, the reflection of their experience, and the organization of their portfolio. Rubrics are often used in rating student performance using their portfolios. Rubrics in rating portfolio should be given to the student even the beginning of the portfolio process so that they are guided on what to put in their portfolio and how to organize them based on the criteria and indicators of a quality product or excellence performance.
So, ito naman sa evaluate is, ito ay ang pag-assess ng students' learning and performance. So, the teachers, students, and even the parents are involved in this. So, they will review the students' work, reflection, and portfolio para ma-measure yung students or the learners' progress. Then, confirm, Ate Karen.
This is the stage where the teacher confer with the students or parents to discuss student performance and progress on learning. This is also the time of congratulate the student for their accomplishment and help them identify areas for their improvement.
So, dito naman po is, the teacher will talk to the students or the parents about the students' progress and performance. And dito na rin po, it is a way of celebrating their achievement and para ma-discuss na rin po kung saan yung area na kailangan pang i-improve ng mga students. Then last, exhibit, Jamel.
This is the time to celebrate success in the form of an exhibit of students' portfolios. The highlight of the exhibit is the award of the best learning portfolio. Again, since reading, viewing, and or exploring the internet need time from you, this should be done outside the class time. Your class time should then be reserved to clarify with your teacher your confusions and to with your classmates on what you have understood and probably found different from what you have discovered from your own exploration lesson.
So, sa exhibit naman po is a celebration